boys and girls. Today we're going to do 1 foot hop. So let's get ready. First, don't forget to warm up. We're going to do our neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is our arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we're going to do our high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Great job. Now, to do our 1 foot hop. Take your jump rope and spread it out. And you're going to hop on 1 foot going side to side. Are you ready? Good job. I hope you did better than me. Have a great day.